So this could be the good, the bad and the ugly. The good possibly being the Hater Harrier 41, which is all complete and looks like that will clean up quite nice. It turns over, so that one might be okay. It's got the grass bag with it as well. And then there's this Sovereign one plastic deck. That doesn't look too bad at all. That looks like it's going to clean up okay. Not sure about that one. It might run. And then this is the ugly one. The whole back of it's broken and the engine, well, the pull cord's fucking snapped. And it could be a bit messy, that one, but the exhaust looks like it's brand new. So it's got a few bits on it. I don't even know what make it says. Lawn King. Lawn King. Don't even know what engine's in it. But the engine don't look too bad. Some bits on it looks alright. So this is probably going to be a parter, unless we can actually get it running, but I don't think I've got a little hope for this one. Look at that, the stickers come off. Yeah, that seems to work. Biggs and Stratton. Don't know if we can find a year on it. What year is it? Oh, it's a 96, I think. Is it a 96, was it? Oh no, it's a 99. It's a 99. This one looks like it's going to clean up really nice. And these go for some quite decent money. So, yeah. 3 mowers off eBay, the good, the bad and the ugly. I'm not quite sure which one's the good, but we'll soon find out. We've got one running.